What happens when you take an iconic legacy woodworking brand and revive it? Let me show you. My name is Nicholas Cups. In 2023, I bought Shopsmith, one of the most historic names in all of woodworking. My grandfather worked with Shopsmith tools, and now as a woodworking enthusiast myself, I want the brand to reach a whole new generation. Founded in 1953, Shopsmith is the only small manufacturer of woodworking equipment made in the USA. Proudly built with care and craftsmanship in Dayton, Ohio, the machining capital of the world, where we continue that tradition today. Watching Shopsmith's revolutionary tools give aspiring woodworkers, DIYers, and master craftsmen the ability to make extraordinary pieces just like they imagined, well, that's the real magic. At the heart of it all is the legendary Mark 7, our pride and joy. It's everything you need to craft beautiful projects, all in one machine. Table saw, lathe, drill press, disc sander, router, shaper, and horizontal boring. We're committed to making woodworking enjoyable for everyone. With our technology that combines the power of our famous tools with the convenience of a touchscreen. That's right, no more guessing or manual dialing. After all, we don't make the best tools in the world to gather dust and look good. We make them for you, to make things your way, whatever it may be. We're just here to help. Shopsmith, your woodworking partner since 1953.